My gosh, so I'm at my 4th class of this 7-day class thing, and can I just tell you, I look a mess right now, but this class was so hard to find. Like, you should see me backpacking my way through Canary Wharf, and you know Canary Wharf is already like madness. Everything looks the same. The Google Maps will tell you this way or going this. So my class was supposed to start at, well, my class started at 7:15. I would have just been on time, right? But I'm walking this way, the sat nav is saying, okay, you're going the right way. Then it now just recalculates, and then it now says extra 10 minutes. So by the time I get to the actual venue, the lights are all off. So I went to the venue next door, and I said, hey, like, where is this class? I'm supposed to be here and there, and they said next door. So I went again. I knocked on the window, maybe just to see if anybody would open up. Nope, still no. So I went back again next door, and I said, like, do you know if there's any way I can access them, or can you access them? I'm supposed to be here this time and this. And then he finally says, oh, you have to go all the way around the back. And I was just like, really? Like, really? So I go all the way around the back, right? And they're doing like building works. So firstly, the gate is even locked for me to access. I go round, and I'm like, I can see like light to the other side of this building. I go, and then I see the light, and I'm just like, how do I access this place? So I now go through one alleyway, and then I find the place. I get here. The class is supposed to start 15 past. I get here like 15 minutes late, and there's only 2 people there. I think it's a 3-person class anyway, but thank God there's a class right after, so I'm going to attend the class afterwards. But guys, look at me, look at me, and it's cold outside, and I'm like really hot, so you can tell how much I was running through Canary Wharf. And today's a Thursday, you know, Thursdays are new Fridays. Everyone is out eating dinner, walking about, and I'm just here with my backpack, like, look. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm whispering because the class is going on right there, probably can hear them, and I don't want them to think I'm a weirdo talking to myself in the toilets. Ugh. But anyway, I'll be back. Bye. And I've been to a few classes already, so this is one of them.
Okay, so we're ready. Just press and play. Okay, so just start some stretches. Reach it out. 1, 2, 3, and twist. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Get a nice flow going in and out. Squeeze your glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit in. Good. That's it.
What's the weight?
Sorry?
What's the weight of your
These are 1.5 kg. That's it. Lovely. Lovely. Here we go. Come in. Very nice. That's it. You can have a slight bend. That's it. Perfect. That's it. If you feel like you can't do the weight, get on the weight and hold yourself good. That's it. That's it. There you go. Lovely. So pushing your arms out straight and back in. Lovely. That's it. Keep going. 3, good. 4, 3, 2. Okay, nice. Keep going. Good job. That's it. Keep going. All the way. Lovely. 5, 4, 3, double. Lovely. And again, single, double. Lovely. Keep going. Very nice. Down, twist, and touch. That's it. That's amazing. Down, and touch. Good. Down, up. going. Lovely, very nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop that shoulder. That's lovely. Hold there.
Great class, guys. Really good, and it was 1-to-1, so that was amazing. Guys, I've just finished the class, but let me show you what I was talking about. So look at this. This is where the class is, right? As you can see. Now, if you can see, like over there, see where I had to walk? I had to walk through here. I came to this fence here, and where that light is, see where the light is? That's where I'm supposed to be. However, I've had to walk all the way around, and I'm not even finished. I'm still walking, still walking. I would have been just on time, but the sat nav. So yeah, this is where I was. This is the front of the building, just one of these ones here. This is the front of the building, and I asked the guy here, and then he eventually told me to. So can you see I've had to walk there. Anyways, I'm back now. So guys, I'm walking in Canary Wharf. Just finished my class. I really liked the class actually. It was really intimate. 1-to-1. I think she was expecting another person, but the other girl didn't turn up. So it was just me and her. And it was very beneficial. And just want to say that me doing these classes helps me for when I do go back to my gym and train on my own. All these things that I'm doing, so all these workouts and routines that I'm doing is helping me with new routines, incorporate into my new workout. I'm contemplating whether to treat myself to the breakfast club or go home and just find something to eat there, to be honest with you.
To like have any sort of social life. Basically I like to call it a night shift, so when my kids go to bed I then have to work in the night. I have to make up for like some hours that I've lost during the day.
I've just found a place called, I don't even know what the name of this place is, Attis in Canary Wharf, and they've got different kinds of healthy stuff. I'm happy. Just vlogging, don't worry, you guys are not on the camera. 4, can I have the beans please? Oh, do you wanna, oh hello. Hey.
The best time.
Yes, my first time. Oh guys, my arms are aching me carrying this camera, but it's fine. Thank you. How many dressings can I have?
Whatever you want. Yes. If you want more, there's 1, 2. Whatever you want.
Okay, which one do you recommend?
I like the Caesar.
You like the Caesar, classic Caesar?
We have also just in case.
Oh, tahini.
Yeah.
Oh, can I have lime coriander? Lime coriander, please. Yes, don't worry, I'm not filming you, I'm just filming that. Yeah. Is that the tomato? No, okay, yeah, I'll probably have that one as well.
Would you like to add any grains?
Yes, please. Tomato quinoa.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
For you, everything.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Please. Thank you. Oh, that's a lot, isn't it? Oh, thanks. Yay.